We're walking down to a place called, what is it called? Butterfly Park, Bottle Tree. I think it's called Bottle Tree, yeah. Yeah, it's called Bottle Tree. So we are walking down to that place and we are just looking for the route. And I'm still trying to figure out how I should just put this camera, because sometimes I see in my videos I don't feel comfortable with the angles which I put it. So I'm just trying to figure out how I should use this new camera. But by the way, you can look around the places. Right now it's evening and it's very windy, a bit cloudy as well, and you can see the train. Did you see? Yeah, you can see the train passing by. That's the MRT of Singapore. And we were just getting bored at home. Today is Monday and I did film 2 videos last night, and one of that is with my husband, and I'm super excited for this. That video is going to go live on coming Thursday on my channel. That's a regular video, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it because we enjoyed filming it a lot. I had to request him to do that video with me and he was happy to do it. So that's gonna go on Thursday night on my channel, so wait for that. And I don't know why these days I have this shortness of breath. I don't know why, and sometimes I suspect that maybe I'm pregnant, but I'm not, so don't take it other ways. But I don't know why I have less energy these days. And what else I wanted to tell you? Yeah, I want to tell you, like, you know, these days I was not doing vlogs on my channel because a lot of things happened and a lot of you know it. I have shared on my blog and Facebook, but I don't share everything about my life on my channel because I don't do regular videos, and some things which I want to keep it for myself, I just keep them for myself. But I just want to let you know that I was down last 1 month. I was not feeling emotionally good because I lost my grandparents, and my mom met with an accident. She is recovering right now, and so all those things happened. Because of that, I didn't want to do anything and I was in my own shell. I just did my regular YouTube videos, but I didn't do any vlogs or any blog post. So I will be updating my blog as well very soon. So we are just walking down. It's very nice. There is no one around. It's nice greenery. So I thought let's vlog with my husband. And
hello.
And
that's all.
Okay, he's not in mood right now to say much. But let me ask him questions from your behalf. He's saying me not to ask. I get a question on my YouTube channel. I actually started getting hate comments on that thing. People say that I shop a lot and my husband doesn't stop me. So what do you have to say about it?
I don't have any problem with her shopping, so she can go ahead anytime, every day, every time to shop. I don't even have any problem.
See, that's how my husband is. He has no problem of me shopping, and that's why I do shop. So I think that clarifies everything. Other than that, I don't know why. Okay, as I have already told you, my mom met with an accident. She has some stitches and all that. I will talk about it when I feel comfortable about it. Right now I am not, because she's recovering, and I don't know.
But I'm saying, okay, let's take the ramp down because we have a stroller and we should not take the stairs over here.
I've almost reached this area called Bottle Tree. So there are a lot of trees around. It's very bushy kind of area, but there are a lot huge trees as well. And my baby is actually sleeping, so don't think that he's getting bored or something. He's just sleeping because he missed his afternoon nap today. He was having a lot of fun with his dad because he was playing all the time with him. And we are just looking around this place. This place is like very quiet. I'm surprised to see that, because whenever I have passed through this area, I always have seen a lot of people here, but today for some reason, maybe it's because it's Ramadan Eid, people are basically with their families at home and celebrating Eid other than being here. So that's what it is. So this is it. But I basically came here because there is a children park here, and then there is water and a restaurant here, so we thought let's check out the food here, and also my baby, when he gets up, he can play here for some time, and it's always good to explore new places than just going to the same place again and again. So that's it. Wearing this beautiful heart print t-shirt which I'm in love with, and this footwear which you have seen, and this Revlon electric nail polish. Is a Chinese temple. Usually this is how Chinese people pray to their ancestors and gods, and this is very common in outside the restaurants and houses, and I totally like it. I can relate it to a lot of cultures which we have in India. Fishing place where kids can catch fish, and I think the fees is $5 for this. They have given this fishing net, and they can catch fish and put it in that small aquarium kind of thing that each kid is carrying. And there at the other corner we have this fishing place for the adults. Such a beautiful place. I mean this is much better than what I expected. This is a coconut tree, and there are coconuts on it right now, and that's a Singapore taxi which also comes here that I didn't know. And there is car parking area. It's a nice huge park with a lot of trees, water, Japanese restaurant and bar. And see, on the other side you can see there is a huge fishing camp going on. This is another thing which is right now closed, but it is actually again plantation, and they have some green living ground group initiative. I think they have something, everything made up of wood. If I see inside, it has a lot of old antique wooden furniture, baskets and guitar, and then money plant. It is looking like I am in some village, and it gives me a very nice feeling. Oh my god, this is amazing. It's a race car track, and he's playing with the remote. Oh, look at that car. Oh my god, that's too fast, and he knows to play too well. He has a control on remote so good. Oh my god, that's so cute. You can see that car going around on the race track, and that guy is actually playing with the remote on the tree top. You guys can see a tortoise in there in this water. I was not expecting a tortoise. Actually, it's a turtle. It's a very small one, and it's swimming. Only one is there. It's actually stagnant water. It's a little bit dirty and green, but maybe they want to make it like that. I don't know, but they are actually, what is it, cultivating tortoise? What do you call?
Not cultivating, they're just keeping them.
Yeah, they're just keeping them in here. मुझे कुछ नहीं पीना है, आपको जो पीना है आप पी लो. The kids are playing here in the playground, and so is my baby. And you can see these are water ground for the kids. I think this is for kids which are more than 2 years of age. and they have a changing room also here, so all the kids are enjoying this hot summer Singapore climate in the evening with some water splash. And then this is the ground for kids under 2 years of age. For the dinner, I am going to have this rava dosa, and he's going to have the North Indian meal, and we are eating out again because we are too tired after shopping.